Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Our Place Duo Cookware Set. And so today I actually have the brand new limited edition vanilla bean colorway for the Our Place Duo Cookware, and it is gorgeous, you guys. But I have actually had the Duo Cookware Set in Steam for almost a year, so it's a perfect time to do a review. Because I don't like to do a review right when I get pans because they're brand new. And let's be honest, all pans are awesome when they're brand new. So I wanted to share with you guys the new vanilla bean colorway, but also show you my steam colorway that's been in use for almost a year. And so when I first got the Duo Cookware Set last year, I wasn't actually sure I was gonna like it all that much. I honestly kind of thought that I would try it out and then maybe gift it to my dad. But as soon as I tried it out, I 100% knew that I wanted to keep it. And I use a skillet in this set every single week. So first, a little bit about Our Place is all their cookware is non-toxic, they're free of PFAS, lead, and other harmful ingredients that can leach into your food. So if you're passionate about healthy eating like I am and you're looking for non-toxic cookware, their pans are a great option. And so one of the things I love about this Duo Cookware Set is that it's a small set. So if you have a small kitchen or you don't even cook that often, but you still want to have a nice pan set, this is the perfect one to get. So it comes with a Dutch oven, and then it also comes with a skillet. They both have lids. And inside the skillet, we have a steamer basket. And then it also comes with 2 wooden utensils. Like I said, if you guys don't have a lot of room in your kitchen, this is a perfect set to get because really you can cook anything with these 2 pots. And so the Dutch oven is perfect for cooking soups, stews, and popcorn. That's usually what I use it for. This Dutch oven is also super lightweight, you guys. It is so lightweight compared to most. I actually have a post on my blog about the best non-toxic Dutch ovens that are under $150, and this one has won for the most lightweight option. So I've definitely tested a lot. The only downfall of this Dutch oven is that it's only oven safe up to 450 degrees. So if you guys bake sourdough or you bake bread a lot and you want to bake it in a Dutch oven, that may not be hot enough for you. I usually bake bread in a different Dutch oven. And so we'll talk about the skillet for just a minute because the skillet is actually one of my favorite skillets that I have. So it's an aluminum body and it makes for really good heat distribution, and that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. So when I'm cooking something and I don't want the skillet to get too hot or I don't want to have like brown or charred spots on my food, this is the skillet that I use. So I actually use this skillet for making John John's food all the time because you don't want that char in your dog food. It's not good for your dog. And it cooks up his ground turkey so well. I also love making burgers in this, and I use it every single week for my turkey breakfast sausages. So some other cool features on these Our Place pans is that they both have spouts, which I really love. This makes it super easy if you guys are making noodles or anything where you have to drain off a little bit of excess liquid. So you can see the skillet has it on both sides and the Dutch oven has it on one side. And something else that Our Place does that I love, so the skillet has this little knob here, and then the wooden spoon that it comes with has this little hole. This lets it fit perfectly inside. So no more dropping your spatula into your skillet as you're waiting for something to cook. So the Dutch oven lid also has a few different options for how much steam you want to let out. So you can have it completely closed by putting it on the side. This side has a little vent, and then this side is totally open. A couple other things to note about this Our Place cookware set is that it's best to use low to medium heat. That's always going to be the same for any non-toxic cookware set. Trust me, they all say it, and I've tested so many. These are also hand washed. Don't put them in the dishwasher, but I feel like that's pretty common for most pans. So let's compare my brand new Vanilla Bean Duo to the steam color that I've had for almost a year. So this one is a vanilla bean. As you can see, these adorable little black specks in like a creamy colored vanilla pot. I love it. And the Dutch oven has a spout on it, which I absolutely love. That's super helpful, especially when making noodles and other things where you want to drain the water. And the vanilla bean set came with these dark brown, really pretty wooden utensils. So this is the steam colorway that I've had for almost a year now. And it does look similar to the vanilla bean. But this one has been in use for almost a year. And there's a little bit of wear and tear on the bottom here, but for almost a year's use and for someone who uses this pan all the time, this has held up incredibly well. And and the Dutch oven. And the steam colorway came with wooden utensils too. They're just a little bit lighter in color. So I'm not just going to talk about these pans. Let's actually put one of them to use so you guys can see. So today we're going to be making my everything bagel turkey breakfast sausages. This is a recipe that I make every single week, like I said, in this pan. So I'm going to show you how it cooks and how it cleans. So first we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of everything bagel spice mix. And if you guys are wondering if the handle is hot right now, it is not. So here's what the pan looks like after cooking the breakfast sausages. So as you can see, this skillet washes really well. And I'm just using a non-toxic mild dish soap. So if you guys are thinking about getting the Our Place Duo set, I would say it's definitely worth it. And the new vanilla bean colorway is just so dreamy. If you guys have a small kitchen, this is a perfect cookware set because it really does everything. And even if you have a larger kitchen like me and you have multiple pan sets, this is one that I use all the time. I dropped a link to the Our Place Duo set in the description if you guys want to check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. If you guys want more non-toxic cookware and bakeware reviews, be sure to drop a comment below and let me know what should I review next. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for more organic recipes from a former bakery owner.